All right, keep the visor up, okay? Here's this fascist pig Trump supporter. I'm a Marvel superhero. I watch Marvel movies and you look like one of the bad guys. All right, we're gonna do a direct impact, okay? Try to bash me a little bit, okay? Fascist, Nazi. I don't care if you don't like Trump, you're still not liberal enough. Fascist, Nazi. Strange irregular object test. Okay, you did that. There you go. Okay, weapon denial drill. You have to throw those weapons behind you before I can get to them. There you go, there you go. Hey, man, why aren't you letting me, huh? Why aren't you? Okay, so what he did was he kicked the weapons behind him before I could get to them. Little things like that. You don't want your enemy knowing where weapons are. And the thing is, you also need to focus on what's in front of you while you're denying the enemy of weapons. You don't want to just give them stuff. If something's right there they can use as a weapon, make sure to put it behind you. You've got to deny the enemy access to weapons if they're right there without losing situational awareness. Don't give them something they can pick up. So you've denied the enemy access to those sticks, but now they're a tripping hazard, okay? What I need you to do, kick them out of the way without turning around, because if you turn around, what happens?
I lose sight of the enemy.
Okay, yeah, and you get attacked from behind, okay?
That's right.
You're taking advantage of the wall. I can't pass through this solid wall, right? So if I'm a crazy leftist lunatic and I'm trying to go in there, right, because I identify as a unicorn, and you're keeping somebody safe in that room, the only place I can go is you. And you're the third wall, okay? Boom. You don't want to get drawn out into a fight out here, because that's a distraction. And then what happens if I can bring you out here? If I can draw you out here, what happens? You're no longer defending that position. Hey man, let me, hey, oh. Now, use the walls to your advantage. Locking with the wall.
Yep.
So you're using the wall as part of the shield, okay? Now, if you had another guy, you could use that wall as well. We got sheriffs coming out here. All right, so what this is a highly controlled access point, okay? So a highly controlled access point, this is a deliberate hard point meant for potentially stopping riotous behavior. If somebody's trying to, for whatever reason, they don't like my political beliefs, there's a small riot happening at Jared Farm. We have somebody here with a shield. Boom. Now, he could have this fence gate closed 100%. So the reason he's got this gate open is because even though this is a controlled access point, we might need to let certain people in and not let certain people in. So you have a controlled access point, and then you have your guy with your shield. That's your shield guy, right? And you notice what he's doing is he's making use of this part of the fence. Now, if I try to come to this side and get past him, he's going to go to this part of the fence. So his goal is to stay there and not get drawn out into an altercation out here. It's the same exact principle. We had a lot of fun with this one, guys. I got my Riot Shield guy back there, and we got the Chudmobile back there. Remember to support the channel by buying the merchandise. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.